Hey guys, it's King Ranch 13. Welcome back to another video. As always, thanks for watching. Today, what we're gonna be doing is a few different things. First, about to load up the bike and take it to get service done. And then we've got a stop to make. I think it's gonna be a pretty expensive stop. So follow along on this video and check out to see what it is. All right, now time for a cold start. Oh yeah, by the way, if some of y'all didn't know, you don't have to have your key on you. You can actually use your phone to start your truck.
One eternity later.
A couple seconds or a minute. And then you can unlock and lock it too. Unlock. And a lot of people didn't know that. Like, I talked to somebody the other day, they're like, yeah, I didn't even know I had that on my truck. And I think every truck from 2019 and newer has it. I think even the base level trucks have them. There goes 100 grand plus. All right, guys, so out with the old and with the new. So this is the 24 F350 dual rear wheels. So it's a dually version, and 350 single rear wheel. It treated us good, but everything kind of comes to an end. So RIP. All right, so this looks exactly the same. I mean, interior, everything is the same. There's nothing different. Only thing is, I guess, the massaging seats. Literally, that's about it. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to be back in an F350 dual again. If y'all remember my last one, it was a two-tone. I'll put a picture of it like right here. The thing is sweet, and if you know me, I'm probably gonna do what I've done in the past, so that might be pretty cool. But I might switch it up. Kyle's kind of been pushing me to do something a little crazy, so I don't know. We'll see if I get a wild hair and order the wrong parts or something like that. But anyways, we're gonna need to do a bed liner on this, and it's already got the factory gooseneck prep package, so we're good there. So I'm gonna switch everything over from that truck to this truck, probably here within the next, over this weekend, and that way this truck is ready to go. And now it's like, why do I have two dualies if I'm only one person? Well, that's a great question, because I don't know either, but it was time for that thing to go. Like, I was ready to get back in an F350 dually. And the difference in the F350 dual and a 450 is that on an F350, I can run light duty tires, for example, Nitto mud grapplers. On a 450, it's got a 19.5, it's a commercial tire. And so I can't run mud grapplers on there unless I went with aftermarket wheels, which I kind of like the stock wheels. So this should be an interesting project. I'm pretty excited for this one, because I think this is going to be something I'm going to do it a little bit different. But don't get me wrong, the F350 single rear wheel was good. I mean, looks almost exactly like a 250. It was time for tax benefits, so that's why we got rid of it. But really excited to see what we can do with this. So if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe, and stay in tune for this build, or whatever you want to call it. All right, see y'all in the next one.